Did you know a man once walked alone across America for 49 years, planting apple trees with nothing but a tin pot on his head? John Chapman started in 1792 with just seeds and a Bible. He walked barefoot through Ohio, Indiana, and Illinois, sleeping under stars in every kind of weather. While other settlers fought with Native Americans, Chapman treated them with respect. While others killed animals for food, he wouldn't even swat a mosquito. He planted nurseries 200 miles apart, then walked back every year to care for them. He never asked for payment, trading apple trees for old clothes or a hot meal. Every morning before dawn, he'd start walking. Every evening, he'd read his Bible by firelight. No one was watching, no one was cheering. Just a man, his seeds, and his principles. By the time he died in 1845, he had planted thousands of orchards across 100,000 square miles. Character isn't built when people are watching. It's built in the quiet moments, one seed at a time.